Hello and welcome to How to Automotive's New Tool Thursday. Today we're featuring the SP Tools crankshaft holding tool designed to help you hold the crank still while you loosen up the crank bolt. I will show you how it works in the next few clips. This tool is designed to work with about 80% of Toyota and Lexus engines out there, from the V6 all the way up to the V8s, from the mid 90s all the way up into the mid 2000s. The way it works is it bolts to the front of the crank. Then you can either use 2 breaker bars and crack it free. I used a 1 breaker bar, and then I used an extension in the tool and then rotated it till it wedged itself up against the frame of the car. Then I used a breaker bar with a cheater bar on it to crack the crank bolt free. This sucker was really tight. I tried using all my impact tools and nothing would take the crank pulley off, so I used the special tool here. So if this is a tool that you're interested in picking up, I'll leave a link for it in the description of the video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.